November 53264 is a 2001 Piper Saratoga II TC, a versatile 6-seat retractable-gear workhorse. The proven 300 horsepower turbocharged Lycoming TIO-540-AH1A air-cooled engine is reliable and adds to the Saratoga's impressive performance record. You will fly in style and comfort in the spacious 70 cubic foot interior cabin, and your passengers will have plenty of legroom in the club-style seating. Factory air conditioning and plush dark gray leather seats add to the feeling of cool comfort. With a generous, useful load of 1,060 pounds, November 53264 has a lot of room for everyone and everything. The seats can be removed quickly to make room for cargo, and the low level of the large rear door openings make it easy to load. The avionics suite includes a Garmin 530W, 430W, and GMA 340 audio panel with a GTX 345 all-in-one ADS-B in and out transponder, along with an STEC 55X autopilot and a Garmin MX20 multifunction display for added situational awareness. November 53264 looks great on the ramp with a tasteful blue and white paint scheme with red and gray accents. The Hartzell 3-bladed prop and polished spinner add to this sleek, classic appearance. For more information or to schedule a private showing of November 53264, please contact HPA at 866-227-8149 or visit www.flyhpa.com.